In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to work a double treble together, and in this case the legs of the double treble are 3 stitches behind and 3 rounds below, and the second leg is 3 stitches ahead and 3 rounds below. Let's have a look what this means when we work the stitch. Starting from the next stitch, which in this case is a popcorn stitch, we count backwards 1, 2, 3, and then down the rounds -1, -2, -3. This free front loop here belongs to the stitch that is 3 rounds below the next stitch. So let's work a double treble into a double treble leg into this front loop. And double treble means yarn over 3 times, insert the hook, and then go through 2, go through 2, go through 2, and one more time. That would be the double treble. But because we make a 2 together stitch, we leave the last 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again, in this case 3 times for another double treble leg, and then find the next front loop. We count ahead 1, 2, 3, and down the rounds 1, 2, 3. So here's another front loop, and we work into this front loop again. Go through 2, go through 2, go through 2, and now we've got 3 loops on the hook, and we go through all 3 loops to finish this stitch. When you continue your work, you will skip the stitch that is behind or below this special stitch and work in the next. In this case it would look like this. So that is a double treble with 2 legs in the front loops, 3 behind, 3 rounds below, and 3 ahead and 3 rounds below.